The Valley of Fear. The Valley of Fear is a famous detective novel written by Arthur Conan Doyle. It tells the story of a mysterious murder and the secret past of a man who tried to escape a dangerous criminal society. The story begins when Sherlock Holmes receives a coded message warning about danger at Burlstone Manor. Soon after, a wealthy man named John Douglas is found murdered in his house. Holmes and Dr. Watson travel to investigate the case. They discover many strange clues such as a missing ring, a mysterious mark, and signs that the killer escaped through the moat. During the investigation, Holmes realizes that the murder is connected to Douglas's past life in America. The second part of the story explains this past. John Douglas was once known as Bertie Edwards, a detective who infiltrated a violent secret organization called the Scourers in a place known as the Valley of Fear. This group terrorized the valley with crime and murder. Bertie Edwards secretly worked to destroy the gang. He collected evidence and helped the authorities arrest many of its members. However, some criminals escaped and later hunted him for revenge. Years later, one of these enemies tracked him down, which led to the events at Burlstone Manor. In the end, Holmes explains the mystery and reveals the truth behind the murder. The story shows the dangers of crime and the courage required to fight it. It also highlights Holmes's intelligence and careful observation. The Valley of Fear is an exciting detective story full of suspense, mystery, and clever investigation. Questions and answers. 1. Who wrote The Valley of Fear? Answer: The Valley of Fear was written by Arthur Conan Doyle. 2. Who is the main detective in the story? Answer: The main detective is Sherlock Holmes. 3. Who was murdered at Burlstone Manor? Answer: John Douglas was murdered at Burlstone Manor. 4. What was John Douglas's real identity in the past? Answer: His real identity was Bertie Edwards. 5. What was the Valley of Fear? Answer: It was a place controlled by a dangerous criminal gang called the Scourers. 6. Why did the gang want to kill Douglas? Answer: Because he had exposed their crimes and helped arrest many of their members. 7. Who helped Holmes during the investigation? Answer: Dr. Watson helped Holmes during the investigation. 8. What is the main theme of the story? Answer: The main theme is justice overcoming crime and the dangers of secret criminal societies.